Okay, here we have a custom engagement ring box. This one features Eeyore in a penguin outfit and a lamb looking defiant in a lion outfit, sitting on a hill, and inside the hill is the ring. Now, it's fully sculpted. The hill itself is actually printed on my 3D printer using wood-based printer filament. The hill itself is then covered in flocking material that looks like grass, and then some little scenic flowers added to it. And then the little cross section of leaves that you see there is for this orchid right here. And this made to be a pendant that he can give to his girlfriend that she'll wear for the evening. And then you'll see it has a little pin on the bottom. Well, when it's time to propose, she'll take this off the necklace, and then it sits inside of the hole here, which then allows you to pull forward, and then that opens the compartment, and inside the compartment is the ring itself. And so it is a nice hidden reveal. You can see there, it's on a nice built-in hinge. You can see the wood version of the printed element here. That's why I went with the wood, so it kind of has an earth tone to it. So, and then once it's closed up, it can just sit and be a nice little keepsake. But until then, it is a nice hidden seam. You can barely see where it goes unless you're looking for it. So there we have an Eeyore and Lamb in costume with Purple Orchid custom engagement ring box by Pape Designs.